Okay, let's move on to speaking part 2. Describe a leisure activity near or on the sea that you want to try.
Sir, actually, practically, I have no experience about ocean, sea, but I have seen some scenes on videos and movies. If I was there, I must be enjoyed the waves, ocean waves, with my son, with my husband, and with my family. And I must be cook fish by hunting myself under the sky. And the other activities with my family, because my whole week is too busy. So this is activities for my relaxations and spending the time with my family.
All right, carry on. It's only half minute.
Because I have no experience, so what what
You
to
can
say?
just further. You need to elaborate. Even if you have no experience.
Although I have no experience about boat, so I must. If I was there, I enjoyed the boat.
If I were there, I
if
would enjoy.
I could enjoy the boat and waves, and especially with my son, take the bath under the sky with my husband and son and family.
All right. Now, you just need to learn to express yourself and stretch your ideas further because
Right.
you stopped at 30 seconds. So, if you
Okay.
stop at 30 seconds, that is going to reduce your bench score
Right.
too much. So,
Right.
try to speak more. Although
Okay.
there were some grammatical mistakes, but it's much better than yesterday. So,
Right.
keep it up like this.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Now, we move on to speaking part 3.
Yes.
What are the advantages of vacations on the seaside?
Sir, advantages is that
The main advantage is that.
because whole life as a professional lady and a student, I was too much busy. When I enjoyed in weekend, I must be share my feelings, my happiness, my
You have to link it with seaside. What are the advantages of vacation on the seaside? So whatever you speak, that should be about vacation on the seaside.
seaside, because I have no experience about it.
All right, but still you should answer. I mean, you know what the sea is, no?
Yeah, yes, I know.
You have seen the
I
sea
know, I
in the
see
movies
in
and
the
somewhere.
movies and
So,
somewhere,
so
and
you need to
also
talk
listens,
about it. Even if you've
also-
not been there, still you can
Yes.
talk about it.
Imaginary, I was there. I must
No,
be.
it's not. That's not the question.
All
The
right.
question is not about your experience. The question
Right.
is, what are the advantages of vacations on the seaside? For example, if you have vacations on the seaside, first of all, you can enjoy the peaceful environment.
Yes.
Because usually a lot of people don't come there, so you can have beautiful atmosphere there. On the other hand, when you look at the sea, it gives you very positive feelings.
Positive
If in front
feelings.
of you there is the blue sea,
Blue
that
sea,
can give you a lot of
waves,
yeah.
sunshine.
No, not wave
and-
sunshine. You
No?
just discontinued in the wrong way. So
All right.
I mean, listen. Don't tell the examiner, I have no experience, I have no idea. These things will play disaster with your speaking test.
All right.
Whatever they ask you, you have to answer and
All right.
understand the question. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.